to my channel Gourmet's Delight, and this is Faiza. "50 grams semolina, fine semolina, few strands of saffron." Let's mix this well. 200 grams clarified butter, ghee. Now let's mix this well. One tablespoon rose water. If you have rose essence, you can also use that. Around quarter to half teaspoon is sufficient. Of almond slivers. I have thinly sliced this. Now I'm going to add this. I'm going to garnish this with this. So this is done. Now let's bake this. I had already preheated the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 10 minutes. Now I'm going to bake this. I'm going to bake this at 160 degrees Celsius for around 25 to 30 minutes. So let's check our dessert. It's almost 35 minutes. Yeah, so this is done. So this is the egg dessert. Now let's make the bars from it. First, let this cool down completely. So I'm going to leave this for rest for 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. Then we will cut them. So this is my egg bars. So do not forget to subscribe if you haven't, and do hit that notification bell so you don't miss out any of my videos. And I really hope that you too are excited about sharing the move with others, and do continue to give me your support.